how to add OneDrive to File Explorer. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do on our desktop is to go on the search bar and then search for OneDrive. Once you do that, click Open. And then after that, this will pop up. Now, the next thing that we need to do is to add our email address right here. So if you have an email address or you have already created an account, all you have to do is to click Sign In. Now, if you haven't set up or created an account yet, all you have to do is to click Create Account. Now, once you do that, the next thing that we need to do is to click Next. And then, of course, if you want to back up your folders on this PC, you can click these options right here, but I will just leave it as it is, and then I'll click Start Backup. Once you do that, as you can see, we now have added OneDrive to our File Explorer. Just click Next, and then click Later. After that, click Open My OneDrive folder. As you can see, OneDrive is now added into our File Explorer. So that is basically it. That is how to add OneDrive to File Explorer.